are your MZ fans? So guys, today is a special day cause Gemini just gave me AI just gave me $100. Yes, AI gave me $100. Guys, now first, if this is your first time coming here, please like and subscribe, please. Sorry I've not been posting videos since all this while because I'm going to school. I promise that every Friday or Saturday I'll be posting videos because of schoolwork. You know all about internet, so like schoolwork. So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to get money. So now first of all, you have any browser, go to your browser, any browser of your kind. Go to Google browser. Once I go to Google browser, just type in Gemini AI. Google Gemini. So before I go on, please, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like. So guys, I'm going to be typing the prompt. The prompt is going to be in the description below. Okay, so this is the prompt. So this is the prompt. So this is the prompt. So you guys see it. So say I can read. So let me see. So guys, this is it. So I don't put my account number here. Let me put my account number. So guys, I want to send it. That's done that. You see? I've done that. So subscribe guys.